Hi and welcome to part 2 of our how to make coconut yogurt video. So you remember from yesterday that we made our coconut milk. We made 800 mils of coconut yogurt using coconut milk from Aldi, which was from coconut cream, and we'll go through the proportions. So we used the non-dairy yogurt culture from Green Living Australia, and we added to that 3 teaspoons of pectin, which is required only for coconut milk to help it set properly. And we used 3 teaspoons of the sugar, which we added, and we also used a really tiny quantity of the freeze-dried yogurt culture, non-dairy yogurt culture. So we just added a tiny tip in the spoon and then added that to our yogurt yesterday, and that has been running for probably about 10 hours now, trying to set, and we're just going to go and check in a minute and see if it's done. It generally needs 18 hours to 24 hours to go. But we'll have a check now and see how that's gone. So what we do is we take out our coconut milk and we do just a little tip test to see if it's set, and it hasn't set. So what I'm going to do is just replace the water in the chamber in the yogurt maker. So next I'm just going to put in the boiling water. I'll just put my yogurt back in the yogurt maker and then put the lid on just to keep the temperature up. Now if you're using one of the smaller yogurt makers, they've got a mark inside that tells you where your water line is, so just have a look in there and see for the camera, just to see where you fill it up to, and then you're putting your yogurt in here, and that just makes a litre as well. So you just need to check what quantity of milk you're using and then follow the proportions that are in your instructions. So you can use many different types of milk to make non-dairy yogurt. If you're using lactose-free milk, using one of these, all you need to do is to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, which is equal to 3 teaspoons. Alright, and that's the food source for the culture to grow. If you're using almond milk, the same thing, 1 tablespoon or 3 teaspoons of sugar, and the same with soy milk. So any type of milks here, you need to remember to add sugar because the bacterial culture needs it to set properly, and you need to maintain the temperature in your yogurt maker between 37 and 43 degrees for somewhere between 10 to 18 hours, and it will be faster in summer. So you're only using a really small quantity of sugar, of culture, sorry. That's a bit of a blur. You're only using a very small quantity of culture, and that's probably about 17 cents worth of Green Living Australia culture to make 1 litre of yogurt, which is very affordable. So it's a lot cheaper than buying Koyo in the supermarket. So I hope you enjoyed our video, and if you like it, please have a look at our online courses.